National Highway singda illegal oiba mawangda tax khongatpagi chang hengalakpaga iroinina tampaktasu donation gi mingda nam haduna senkhai tumkhai tawgi chang hengalakliba se yengsinanaba anti extortion cell gi makada security gi checks and thawrang paikhatlagani haina Manipur Police Department ke IGP intelligence ke kabipna phongdokrei wafam asing ase SP Imphal West ke conference hall da pangthokiba paugi mifam amada phongdokhibani mahakna makha taraduna thabak tawba official sing amadi business tawba khatnatana mahiloisang singsu yauna chatharakliba senkhai thumkhai amade national highway singda hanaga manadaba mongda illegal tax kaya khomgatlakliba sing asina maram oiraga lamdamasigi economic activities ki chang hantarakle haiki hairiba pamdaba thawong sing ase yengsenanaba hojik fawbigi oina anti extortion cell gi makada crack team taramanga semkhre amade nam haduna senkhai thumkhai tawbagi case da miyoi chamaga kungama thoirom fagat pangam kre amade underground yauna gang khutpu chaniga yangkai henbasu fagat pangam kre masiga iroinana national highway ani gi tongan tongan bam mafam singda ROP tanaba dedicated combined team tarataruk amade essential commodity truck sing escort taunaba special company ani amasu arrange tawre Amaromda nam haduna senkhai thumkhai gi case marang kaina thokpa tampaki mafam singdasu security ge checks and thawrang paikalagani maragasida prajamiam nasu security forces singda cooperate tawinaba appeal su tarakhi
While we state police with the help of our sister agencies are taking these activities, we also request public to cooperate with the police. There are few requests that we want to make appeal to public. The first one is, whenever someone receives an extortion, please don't hide it. Please inform the police from your known police personnel or through control room. Here in Manipur is a very small society. Be it big or very big. Everyone knows everyone. They inform through your confidential police personnel. We will keep the matter confidential. We will try our best and we will put our best effort to catch the extortionist. Obviously, if public, we are telling public, if you give to one group, then all other groups come to know and they will also come.
Nakanamoromda Thoromaduda Sarukyakiba IGP administration ke Zayantana Fongdokibada Chahi Helaba Irang Asida Kangaudana Senkhai Thumkhai gi thabak kaya chatharakpagi chang ase aduki matik hengatlakle tongan department singda sel gi demand laktaba yaudre bom langsinba nongmei kapsinbagi case ama lakpada Senkhai Thumkhai ga mari hek leinaramba asimakna thokli bairang asina wahallaba praja singda hena awaba ohele masina maram oiraga thokli bairang asida khungak nabagi mingda lut tawkiba khutlai Senkhai Thumkhai do ina seasonarbra haibagi chingnaba leire hairiba thabak sing asi ningthina khang hairaba miyoi kharana plan tawduna naha kaya season aduna makhoi bulan season abani asigumlaba thabak sing asi laksin nabagi damak police department thabak kaya paikhatle adumakpu hairiba thabak sing asi maipakna paikhatpa ngamnabagi damak prajamiam gi mating changi maramasina prajamiam na asigumba case asi leiba matamda matam chana police to pau pibiduna police singna thabak paikhatpada miyamna mating pangbiu haiki
Sigi extortion atagi intimidation thingbo populi sida agi kanona swaita koi crack team sen district budingi overall supervision se koi DGPRO lei then next to him koi zonal IG DIG sing lei aduna whenever public tarigo ai hajari se media with through public tani hajari se sumaina kari gumba isada kari gumba lakta rati confidential ba kano sing sida koi da share to bi madu share to hai dana kanamtana duna hai pune da la hai to mati ayam na sigi ke se ra ko ka do madu ke do pra le pa da ka khan aduna mayam gi ke no du information do pang di hai ta koi da to bu ya to bu su bam di pa adagi aduna ta bida amchu ri yam ka da to rai se sana be ba ko gi moral policy ki mabing da to se moral policy na de ko mapalom da ke ko gi some sort of kangaroo po ay niya da po da ako'y na rule of the law sina recognize to ba local gi kay heta de sana ba big na da ita pero siya maga ay ta verdict po so कंगारू कोर्ट हाईटार